All right, Lukey and Sindel, are you ready to show us around? Have a nice bed. Aloha everyone and welcome to today's video, our vacation house tour here on the big island of Hawaii. My name is Iceland and on this channel, Treasure Chest Memories, we share adventure videos, family videos, and have product reviews. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video or leave a comment. We'd love to connect with you there. So we arrived yesterday on the big island of Hawaii and Lucas and Sindel are going to be hosting a quick little tour of our vacation house rental here. It did freshly rain this morning pretty hard and it is definitely much colder for us than Maui. And then you can see the sky is already starting to turn a little bit gray there behind me. All right, Lukey and Sindel, are you ready to show us around? This is the outside. We got our water storage over there. This big, giant, grassy yard. We're gated in.
And
there's a camper here. Let's take us inside.
No, I want to be swing.
We will when it's dry.
Show them our car.
Our rental car. Got a little barbecue pit back there. All right, take us inside. Little patio. Ooh, look, the whole back area. And another barbecue. Maybe that thing's not a barbecue. 'Cause that one is for sure. Covered. Wow, just look at all that. First thing when we come in is the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
And then what's this little area? Is this a little work area?
The office.
The office. Where'd you sleep last night, Lukey? Ooh, over here on the futon with Mom, huh? And Dad and Henny have a nice bed.
No, that one.
Ooh, in the closet. Okay, you can have one. Ooh, we got
It has a vacuum. What's vacuum on that spot?
oh, some chairs. Those are the bed sheets and extra sheets.
And a hat. And I want paper up there.
Let's see how the hat looks on Daddy.
There's Micah. Yeah, pretty Ricky Ricardo.
I want to try on me, cowboy.
Yeah.
You guys like the little storage stuff here.
Hey,
We got our cups and our dishes.
show us the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom's next. Silverware. Let's see it. There's the little TV. Here's the bathroom. Yep. See?
Toilet. So. And a shower and toilet.
What's that basket for?
Beach chairs? Nice.
The dirty laundry.
Throw those in the trunk.
Yeah. We got a mirror on the back of the door. Got all of our towels there. Place to hang the towels. Aloha.
Linda.
Henny, you picked out a movie last night, didn't you? Over here, they've got, look at this. Some magazines. We had on Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, and then she asked for the American president. We got some books.
And then I got
It's a fan. Yeah. Little hanging spot for clothes, the AC. Out the window. What about this spot? Did you guys have breakfast right here this morning? And a little table. These guys have been loving these little things to store stuff. What a cute little place, huh? Yep, the movies. And that's about it. Out here, the washer and dryer. The clothespins. Listen to that jungle. Oh, there's a dog. There's decorations and some papaya trees. Those are little ones. They're pretty new. She keeps calling these ones decorations down here.
I'm gonna be so cold, right? And you like your shirt so?
One last look from this angle. Oven, toaster, coffee maker, trash, recycling, broom, fire extinguisher. We have a little map here so you can see where we are on the island. Pahola right here. We landed over here and drove through here, so if you want to check out yesterday's video traveling from Maui, which is just over here, to here, you definitely should. It was a big fun travel day and we saw a lot of neat stuff. We provided some spices up here, and then in here a little bit of coffee stuff, and they had the ramen, but Micah got some stuff to make a yummy chowder. Just completely set, aren't we?
I got a bunch of remotes in here and pop it.
Oh, nice.
Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Aloha. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't subscribe. And Cowabunga.
Thank you, Lucas and Sindel, for hosting our tour today.
Cowabunga.
Be careful.
Kinda easier to jump here than going there.